Hey guys, Paul here. Welcome back to the channel. As the temperature starts to rise up and we are getting really close to summer, it's getting really hot here, even here in Colorado, because really strong sun out here. And back in California and other places, I'm sure they have really brutal summer too. And parking your car in the parking lot under the sun, sometimes you have to work and then park your car the whole day, or you go somewhere and park your car the whole day. Your interior temperature will get really high, and the car actually lose the battery power to keep the car interior cool down. So in today's video, I'll share with you this latest version of a Model Y roof sunshade. It's called MagShade from Ultraford. This is something different, something I haven't seen before. Those traditional sunshade or glass roof sunshade for Model Y have those clips, the plastic clips that you have to clip them on or take them off every time you remove them and put it back in again every time you install them. But now this special sunshade has the magnetic clips that you install on the headliner, and the sunshade itself has metal frame that's attached to those magnetic clips. You don't have to remove magnetic clips anymore. You just install one time, it's always there, and then you just put it up and then just attach to your roof. So I will share with you the closer look of the material and what comes in the box, and then quick installation on the MagShade. Now let's go. Let's see what comes in the box of this MagShade magnetic roof sunshade for Tesla Model Y from Ultraford. Here what comes in the box. So first, the sunshade itself with storage bag. Let me open this, show what's inside. So it has a zipper and the sunshade. So there are two pieces of sunshades here, one in the front and one in the back. You can just open it up just like so. Let me show you the material of the sunshade. So this is something different from what I have seen out there in the market so far. So this is where you face the glass roof, and this is the inside. So it's similar color with your headliner in the Model Y. We'll see after we install. And this is another piece right here. This is how you fold it back and put it back in the storage bag. As you can see, the reflective material is really good, high quality cloth. And it also labeled on the sunshade itself. This is for the front, and of course this one for the rear. And yeah, so it came with this box right here. Let me show you. So the plastic plier tool to help install the magnetic tabs. So there are 6 different tabs, as you can see here. So you basically put this part right here underneath the headliner where your glass roof is. As you can see, facing this one down. So we'll attach this to the sunshade material, as you can see, because it's metal inside, so it's magnetic. So you don't have to keep removing the tabs, and you don't lose these tabs, because these tabs always there, clip on to your headliner. All right, now we saw everything that came in the box. Let me show you where you can get this awesome MagShade. You can get MagShade new magnetic sunshade for Tesla Model 3 and Model Y from Ultraford.com. As you can see here, there are a few options for you to choose from. There's the option for Model Y, and then options for Model 3 version 1 and version 2. I'm not sure the difference between these two versions here, and you can get the newer Model 3. And make sure you select the right options for your car, and if you are interested, I'll make sure to put the link in the description down below, and use the special discount code TC10 for extra 10% off. And this is the final price on the new MagShade. Now let's go and install it in my Tesla Model Y. Before we continue with the video, don't forget to check out the awesome bike from KBO. I have tested both of these bikes. They are really fun to ride. This one you can fold down and it actually fits in the back of my Tesla Model Y, and this is full size off-road, on-road bike, can go up to 45 miles per one charge and 25 miles an hour. These are really awesome bike from KBO. Make sure to check them out if you are looking for an electric bike. And thank you so much KBO for sponsoring this video. Now let's continue with the video. Now let's install the MagShade from Ultraford. So basically just install this magnet tabs into your headliner. So I would put one right here in the middle. This is for the front. So 3 in the front, 3 in the back. So 1 in the middle, and then 1 just right, you know, before you get to the B pillar right there, and then 1 on this side. So same thing on the rear, probably 1 right there, and then 1 in the middle of the rear. So to install the clip, magnetic clips, just make sure this, you see magnet part right here, facing down, so the logo facing up. So use the included tools. I would align with this emergency button right here, and then just, you know, align it, push it in. If it doesn't go in, use the tool to open up the headliner like so. Now you should be able to go in, as you can see. There you go. That's really easy and simple to do. Now let me install the rest, and then we'll test it out and put up the sunshade. As you can see, I'm already done installing all the magnetic clips. So 1 in the front, 1 to the side, and 1 on the right, and same here for the rear, right and left side, and 1 in the back here. As you can see, there's like a Tesla logo on the window or the glass roof. Just align to that. That should be in the middle of the rear. Now let's test it out and put up the sunshade. Now I can just unfold the sunshade. Make sure the reflective side is facing on top of the roof, so this will reflect the heat and shield the heat from getting in the car. Now I can just put it up, make sure it's the front and the rear correctly, and align to that magnetic tab. That's it, done. Super easy to put it up and remove. To remove, there's a little tab right here, as you can see. It's a little tab, just pull it down, boom, boom, boom. Now we can just remove, and then fold and storage it. Now let me put it back again, and then we'll install the rear sunshade so we can see how it looks overall. Let's install the rear one. Same thing to the rear sunshade here. Reflective side goes up, and then make sure this is the right one. Just put it up, align to that magnetic tab that we installed earlier on both sides and the rear. Boom, that's it. Really easy to install and uninstall now. You don't have to remove those clips or worry about losing those clips after you remove and then storage it. Let me show you the overall look after I install it. Let's see the color. It's really similar to the headliner, a little bit maybe 1 shade different, but not a big deal for me. I really like how easy it is to like put it up and then take it down though. As you can see, it fits perfectly to the shape of the the glass roof of Model Y. Let me go outside and show you a better view from the outside. As you can see there, looks really good. Now let me take it down and then put it in the storage bag. Now I can just easily pull it down. Boom, the clips, the magnetic clips still there, and then just fold it like so, and then just put inside the storage bag. Same thing here on this one. Pull it down, then fold it. So I can fold it inside the car. I don't have to walk out the car and do it. And then just put it in the storage bag. Pretty much it. Now we have the storage bag. Here I can just, you know, put in the trunk or the front or wherever you want to put it. Now when I want to use it again, just, you know, open it up. Make sure use the right one. Rear it's rear, front is front. And then see how quick I can put this sunshade up in seconds. Just make sure you put the right one on. Boom, that's it. Super easy and fast to put the sunshade up and down now. Wow, very, very cool. I wish someone came up with this earlier, but thankfully now OT4 came up with this awesome max shade that you can put in your Tesla Model Y. As you can see in the video now, to remove and put up the glass roof sunshade in my Model Y is really simple and easy to do. I don't have to worry about losing those clips anymore. Now the clips are there, it's magnetic, so you just tap and then it just stick on my sunroof and has this really good reflective material that will reflect the heat and shield the heat out from my Model Y interior. Let me know in the comment down below what you think about this max shade roof sunshade for my Tesla Model Y from OT4. I'll make sure to put the link in the description down below with special discount code for you too. Thank you so much guys for watching today's video. Make sure to click like if you like the video. Make sure to subscribe for more awesome contents like this. We'll see you on the next video. Peace.